Yo, what's going on? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to be working on the AU Falcon, adding some sugar and spice and all things nice because I bought myself another set of wheels, and shout out to Alex because the person I bought them off was a subscriber of the channel, which was absolutely sick. Now, before we do anything to this car, man, what is this? Thing is dirty. And that's because Nathan, the naughty boy, decided to do some donuts with his Sylvia on some grass and fling dirt all over myself and the AU. So I think the first thing we've got to do is give it a little bit of a wash. And you would have seen this clip before it went live in this video on Instagram. Make sure you follow me there because I post a lot of crap on Instagram at Rex_HYT. The AU Falcon is completely washed now with a really nice hydrophobic sealant on there. I use Bowden's Happy Ending. That stuff is pretty excellent and, you know, gives you some really nice beading effects, especially in the rain. Now, one of the first things that we need to rectify on the AU Falcon is this. This fitment is disgusting. So the reason why we have it like that currently is because we're driving it around a lot on the street and it's not really necessary to run big spaces, but it's doing my head in. The fitment is really bad, so I'm gonna just run some 30mm spaces like we do for the drift track stance.
Help! It's slow, it's too slow.
Thanks for making my car so dirty, bro.
What happened?
You drifted all over it.
No, after I say what happened, insert the clip.
No, I've already put that in the video. Like I said, it's already going to be in it.
Did you see how many fucking likes I got on my reel?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
So if you follow me on Instagram as well, you would have seen that we've been lowering Lachlan's Sylvia. So it's currently slammed. We slammed it a bit too hard. It's currently got some nice shock works in there and the thing handles immensely better. He wants to adjust it today, so we're going to let him use the garage and I'm going to be mucking around outside on the road. So yeah, we're going to change the wheels on the road. All right guys, so these are our new wheels that we're picking up for the AU Falcon. Do you want to introduce yourself?
How's it going? Alex.
This is Alex.
It's my AU.
This is how he found my channel. He also has an AU Falcon. It's a ute and he had these wheels on, but he's selling them to me broken. Did you break them?
I didn't break them.
You didn't
Someone
break
else broke them.
Yeah.
But I'm too lazy to fix them.
Yeah. Yeah, now I'm buying them and I'm going to try fix them myself. Yeah, show us the crack.
Just down there.
Yeah, it's been repaired with some JB Weld.
Not mine. Not my doing.
I'm going to pick these up. It's even got the sticker on there too. This was funny. When you sent me the picture of the wheels, I was like, oh man,
yeah,
they're legit.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's raining like crazy, which sucks because I got to put these on the seats of my freshly cleaned AU, but keen to pick these up. Cheers, man. All right, moment of truth. Yeah, we're definitely going to need to run a spacer because they are too far in. I think a 30mm is going to be a little bit overkill, but we'll try a 30mm anyway, just to see what it looks like. Damn, that is honestly pretty perfect. It's aggressive though, it probably will rub ever so slightly, and I'll need to pull the back of it out a little bit, but I don't really want to do that, so I might just order some 25mm spacers and be done with it, but damn. Not bad at all. As this curve goes towards the back of the car, it sort of moves more in, so it's more likely to rub on this part right there. Gonna order some spacers now. these are the new Chasing Perfection banners. You guys had a really positive response to them, so I'm releasing them today on the benkyspec.com website. They're really easy to apply. We're gonna chuck one on the chaser as well. Yeah, grab this. I'll show them up close. Got a nice glittery effect on the vinyl right there. And if you're gonna buy one, I suggest that you get 2 of your mates to come help you line it up, because it's a little bit difficult getting it right in the middle. Somehow we got this one right in the middle, and I'm super happy with it. So with these, you gotta be really careful, and you gotta peel back using the plastic. There you go, just like that. And it's even easier if you get a friend to hold the corners.
How about you hold it and I'll just...
This time. See, if you cook it like that, you just push it back down a little bit, and you go again. Yeah, it's true.
What the fuck are you doing?
Nate! What's going on, bro?
Time no see.
What's happening, bro?
Yeah,
Not bad,
I
bro.
grew hair. You did.
Hey guys, so what you just saw was footage from about a couple of weeks ago. I filmed this footage and I sort of didn't make a video out of it because I thought it wasn't much of a video. So we're a couple of weeks ahead in the future. Sorry if I sound a little bit nasally, I am kind of sick. But we're heading to Nathan's because Nathan has a special vehicle that he just purchased. And we also need to grab the Land Cruiser off him, his rig, his tough rig, because our one isn't registered. And we need his tough rig to go pick up the new part that we have for the AU Falcon. Alright guys, we are here at the Pakin household. This is the car that we're taking today to pick up this special part for the AU Falcon. And just behind his fence over here, Nathan has a special surprise for us. I don't know where he's gone, but I think he's getting his keys.
What's going on? This is my tough crib, and this is my tough EF XR6 Falcon.
What is this?
So after seeing Rex's one, I figured, you know, I've always liked them, but these are just stupid expensive, obviously, because, you know, they're Tickford. Do you know that? They're Tickford.
I did not know that, no.
Tickford XR6.
I can see it's got some nice 18s on there.
No, I think they're 19s.
Oh.
Yeah, the rest of them are in...
That's pretty tough.
That's pretty tough. There's a full interior back here as well.
Alright, so if you guys want to see this build, because this is the cheapest XR6 that you could buy on Facebook Marketplace, then head over to Nathan's channel.
If you want to see it, then yeah, my channel, it's just my name, Nathan Pakin. Pretty simple.
Alright guys, fast forward just about an hour and a bit. We have picked up this special part. It's just in the back of the car. I won't show you yet until we get back to my house, but is it a tough modification?
It is very tough. You should have done this a long time ago, but
Yeah, I tried.
you tried, but someone took advantage of you.
Yeah, they did. This one's labeled correctly this time, so hopefully I don't get screwed
The
around.
other one was labeled with a crayon.
It was.
Yeah, some kindergartner wrote stuff on it that made it more valuable than it actually was. No road. No way, man. That's crazy, bro. No road.
No road, bro.
No road.
Almost turned down there.
So I just start pouring it out.
No, don't pour it out. Oh, yeah, that's not. Alright, so we're back at home now. The Benky is back. We need to make a video on it, but the Benky is back, finally. Alright guys, so the moment you've been waiting for, we just purchased a 3.45 to 1 LSD for the AU Falcon. Finally, we have a legitimate LSD. You can see it's actually a 3.45 diff. And you might remember a while ago we bought a 3.45 diff. It was labeled 3.45, and I do this because it was actually a 3.23 we found out, because as I was racing Naoki, who has a standard 3.23, we were dead even, which means I got scammed. So I finally found one of these. They don't come up very often, and it cost me an arm and a leg for the car that I'm putting it in. I spent $600 on this. I paid a premium. I couldn't really be bothered negotiating, as they're just so difficult to find. And massive shout out to Timmy, because he was the guy who messaged the original seller on Facebook Marketplace to sell it to me. It's really heavy. It was actually really difficult to get in here, so we're gonna take it out now. It's probably gonna take all three of us. Alright, so we have the diff outside of the car now. Nathan has just gone home to edit his video that should be up tonight of the EF Falcon. So yeah, like I said, go over to his channel, go check it out. We are gonna try and attempt to start installing this thing into the AU Falcon. I just wanna quickly show you the sticker up close. 3.45, come on, focus, holy crap. It definitely says 3.45 to 1, so hopefully it's correct. I also didn't have this on my old diff. Look at that, LSD, high performance, oil required. It's pretty annoying that I have to do this all over again. It's quite a lot of work to get this new diff in the back of the AU. It sucks because if I did it the first time correctly, if I just didn't get scammed, then it would have been totally fine. I'll show you when the thing's out, but I'm gonna try it a little bit differently as well. I'm gonna keep the tires still attached so I can just roll it out of here. But we'll see how this goes. It's probably gonna take me a day and a bit because I'm not feeling the greatest. So we're gonna get started and we'll see how much we get done, but probably gonna have to continue on to the next video. What are you doing, fam?
Trying to diagnose my wiring from about 2 years ago. I made 4 colors. I made 4 wires the same color.
That's why, guys, do it once, do it right. All right, I think we're gonna have to call it here. This is probably most that we're going to get done in today's video. I want to have this uploaded by today, so by the time you see this video, it's actually the same day that I'm filming. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Got to get this thing ready for the end of October because we're drifting it. But don't you worry, the patrol guys, there'll be more stuff done on the patrol in the next week. We're just getting it ready for registration, roadworthy. It's pretty difficult, especially being in Melbourne. I'm sure most of you can understand, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.